Tip number 1, create a realistic study schedule. You are studying for an exam in project management, so treat your exam as if it was a project. Now a little bit about myself. I'm an engineer turned project manager, and I recently passed my own CAPM certification last year. And the reason why is because I want to dive deeper into project management, and within the next year or so, I expect to gain enough experience so that I can qualify and pass the PMP certification exam. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you one exam strategy that really helped me out when I was studying for my exam. This one clip that I'm going to share with you is from a vlog that I did when I was filming my exam prep journey. So I hope you can use this as inspiration and motivation to continue studying and preparing for your exam. Hey, what's up you guys? I just got back from work and I'm about to put in 2 or so hours of studying later tonight. I just finished dinner and I'm about to open up my Rita's CAPM Exam Prep book, try to study about 1 chapter or 2 chapters today, do some practice quizzes, and that'll wrap up tonight. But as you can see, I'm a little bit tired. Today was a long day at work, but that's what I got my boba tea flavored taro to give me that energy that I need. So if you guys are with me, let's get the show on the road. So me personally, I work 10 to 12 hours every single day, and oftentimes it can feel very stressful and challenging to have to put in another hour or 2 hours after work. But what really worked for me was that I use a technique called the Pomodoro technique. And if you're not already familiar with it, be sure you check out my 2 other videos on the channel on how to really use that technique for your studying. But what it really is that you study very effectively and focus for 25 minutes. And then after that 25 minutes, you take a quick 5-minute break. After that 5-minute break, then you rinse and repeat that entire process for the next hour or 2 hours. Using the Pomodoro technique really skyrocketed a lot of my results because I stayed focused every single day and did 25-minute sprints followed by a quick 5-minute break, and I rinsed and repeated that every single day for about 6 weeks. And so I highly recommend you follow that technique, and if you're not familiar with it, be sure you check out my other 2 videos on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this week's CAPM exam strategy to help you prepare and pass your exam. Just remember that if I can pass the CAPM exam within 6 weeks, then I know that you guys can do it too. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment or a question down below. When do you plan on taking your CAPM exam, and are there any questions that you need advice on? So if you gained a lot of value out of today's quick video, and if you'd like to see more videos, weekly tutorials, and quizzes to help you prepare and pass your CAPM exam, be sure to subscribe to the channel and smash that like button so you're notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, I'm Alvin the PM, helping you become certified in project management, and I'll see you in next week's video.